Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A1 and let me show you how to clear browsing data here. So first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google right here. Then click on more icon. Click on more icon and select history. Here select clear browsing data and you will find here basic and advanced options. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then when you skip to advanced you've got 3 more, and these are saved passwords, out of inform data and site settings. Mark those that you want to remove, pick the time range and tap on clear data. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.